In our last video, we have completed our environment setup, and now we are ready to code our first program. Let's start by printing Hello World. Now in your IntelliJ's project window, you will be able to see your project folder with multiple subfolders. One of these folder is source. Inside source, you will see main as a subfolder of source. Inside main is the Kotlin folder, where we will be creating our Kotlin file. In order to do that, left-click your mouse button and select New from the menu. From there select Kotlin class file option. Now name your file as main and select the file option, which is below the class option. Main.kt will be created as an empty file under Kotlin folder. As you can see, all Kotlin files will have kt as an extension. Now add a function by typing fun main with closed empty brackets and open curly braces. Inside curly braces type println and open brackets. Inside brackets add commas. Inside commas type hello world. Once you are done with coding, left-click on the green triangle and select Run Main KT. Your program will run as soon as the compiler finishes compiling. After compiling, you will be able to see the output. In our case, output is Hello World. IntelliJ has an autocomplete feature which is very helpful. You can write the beginning and IntelliJ will automatically give you suggestions. Now your homework is to print I am a Kotlin developer. See you later.